Today I'm going to talk to you about how to get to my website and what is on my website. So you'll go to your Google Classroom page and click on reading, and then go to classwork, and right away it'll say Miss Zahourek's website. Click on it, and it'll bring you to my website. The home page is just telling you about the website, announcements that we may have, and a fun fact. Today's fun fact is it is physically impossible for pigs to look up to the sky. And it'll have a quote. And then on this side, you will see different tabs. You'll see a tab about me that you can read. And then digital citizenship. I have a picture on here, and I'll change that once a week. So right now this picture is keep it private. What information should be kept to yourself? Your full name, your birth date, your home address, and your phone. We will talk more about digital citizen throughout the year. You'll also find our assessments on this page as well. So all you'll have to do is click the gray box to get to this week's assessment, and it'll bring you to this week's assessment. You will also find what our curriculum is. I have a couple lesson plans on here that we will use in case you want to know what we are doing in class. Classroom expectations and procedures. It's just our pride expectations, our homework policy as well. Classroom pictures. I'll post some pictures on here once we get into the school year. And if you want to contact me, it'll have my email address. You'll also see our daily schedule. I will have you get on this website to get on some educational websites for reading. Also, your math and social studies and science teacher will give me some, and I'll put it on this website as well. So all you will do is click on the picture, and it will bring you to different websites, and you'll just click on the website picture, and it'll direct you to that web page. And our vision, mission, and goals. I will update this when we decide what our vision in our class is and our mission and our goals. So this is my website. You will need to learn how to use this because we will use it a lot in class. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me.